Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to see about the electric cart. Okay, so let us detail discuss this particular electrical cart in the cart in the upcoming slides. So before going to the today's session, let us recap the things that you have seen in the previous session. So in previous session, we had discussed about the forklift truck, where the conventional IC engine powered forklift truck is replaced with the EV forklift truck for the material handling purposes in the warehouse and the godowns, right? So now in this class we are going to see about the electric kart, which is a motorsport vehicle used for the racing purposes. So before going into the in-depth into the topic, let us, as we know, we are going to approach in a DT based manner. So we are going to see the pain points that makes this particular e-kart bring into the action. So the first is the concept of introducing e-mobility in the motorsports. As we all know, when we conduct the motorsport events, the environment will get easily polluted because we are conducting the event with a IC engine powered vehicle, so it creates the pollution by default, so that the environment will get affected. So it leads to the climate change, and also environmental friendly motorsport is necessary in order to improve the environment and also to reduce the pollution. And as we all know, there is a demand in the crude oil. So by introducing the EV related motorsport events, it drastically meets the demands of this crude oil. So for that, we need a racing vehicle which will be environmental friendly and motorsport event, and also it improves the sustainability. So for that, yes, we can use the electric kart. So electric kart, it is same as that of our normal go-kart. The main thing is the power source is going to get different. Here it is going to be replaced with the battery and motors. Other than that, each and every components that has been present in the IC engine power go-kart is going to be present here in this particular e-kart also. Yes, this is the overall layout of this particular go-kart. We can see the each and every components. So in go-kart there will be totally four wheels, where its wheel track will be different. So front for a front vehicle the track will be less. On the rear vehicle the wheel track will be more, and the power has been given to the rear. Wheel with the help of the sprocket, and the other end of this particular the connection between the electric motor and the sprocket has been enabled with the help of a chain assembly, and the bucket seat has been placed for driver seating, and it's a single driving vehicle, we know. And also steering assembly has been fixed, which will operate with the help of a pivot pin assembly, and steering knuckle has been present in the front wheels for aiding the steering process, and the bumpers has been placed on the front, rear and sides. And in addition to the existing go-kart, we are going to replace, as I said earlier, the power source. Battery packs has been placed, as you can see in the picture, and also the motor has been connected to the rear shaft for giving the power to the rear wheels. As the braking system, disc brake has been placed in the go-kart for the braking purpose. So this is the overall components that has been involved in this particular go-kart. Yes, this is the overall working chart of our e-kart. Yes, so throttle has been given at the bottom portion of the vehicle, where the driver can operate with the help of his leg. So with the throttle, where the throttle has been given by the driver, and from that the input will be given to the controller. So before that, the battery, it serves as the power source of this particular vehicle, and the power from the battery is sent through the controller. The controller is directly connected to the throttle control, and from that the required current has been transferred to the DC motor, where the DC motor is then directly connected to the transmission unit for moving the vehicle. In between the battery and the controller, there will be power electronics unit, a DC to DC converter, which will assist in the regulations of the power flow. So this is the overall working chart of this particular electric kart. So here, so in this slide, we are going to discuss about the mind mapping of this particular topic. So we did, so far here discuss the objectives, the main vehicle components of electric kart, the DC drive architectures, and the working principles. So these are the things that we have seen in overall this particular topic. Yes, before ending this today's video, let us see the things that you have seen so far. We have really discussed about the need of this particular electric cart, its construction, components, working, and their need in reducing the today's pollution, and also to boost the motorsport events. So that's all about this video. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.